Assalamu alaikum. How are you children? I hope you are fine. Today I'll take the class for 9th standard. The topic it's being our constitution in political science. So before going to the topic, let us highlight the points before independence here. Before independence, our India has been faced many challenging problems here. And after the partition of India, that's been called rehabilitation refugees from Pakistan, where they have been after the division of India and Pakistan. These people have been where they have been faced many problems here, like unemployment, food, shelter, many more. And later, the princely states started. The states were being brought up by first Home Minister is being called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he has been got the title. Can you just think what is the title Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has been resumed? Yes, he is being called Iron Man of India. So he is a person played a vital role to bring the states together, princely states here. So after formation of the princely states here and fundamental rights, fundamental duties, these all were been begin. And after having to that, our country has to have some rules and regulations. It's not only to India, every nation follow rules and regulations here. Now let us see what does this constitution deals. Constitution means is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a state. Without rules and regulations, no state can run. How many states do we have in India? We have 29 states and 29 capitals, and we have 7 union territories. So this has been displays a vital role for day to day, which you have been following the rules and regulations. So now after the meaning, now let us move to the next one here. And who recommended us to have the Constituent Assembly here? So we have the next called Indian Constituent Assembly. The recommendation was been done by Motilal Nehru. He is a person to recommend in the sense approving. So when it was been recommended, there's been a party called as in Congress Party, a place called Karachi in 1939. After recommending this party here, a cabinet recommendation was being formed. That is for Constituent Assembly, and they have been in members who want to be the member of this committee in the year 1946, and they were total members to be the member of this Indian Constituent Assembly. They were 389 members. 389 members they were being a member of this Indian Constituent Assembly. After the partition of India and Pakistan, the number they were being decreased in number. How much were being the members here? They have been only 299 due to that partition. And in the 299, the first Constituent Assembly was formed in the year 1946 on 9th December. Then second session again, it took place in the same year, 11 December 1946. And for this, there was a president. He was being called Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the president of this committee, Constituent Assembly. And to support this Rajendra Prasad, there were many members. The members like Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India, to bring the princely states. Then from Karnataka, even they have been taken part for this Indian Constituent Assembly, K.M. Munshi, then Hanumantaraya, many more. They have been called eminent members from Karnataka. Okay, children? Next, let us go to the next called Drafting Committee. What is this Drafting Committee? Framing of the Constitution. Framing means to make certain rules and regulations, and in that framing of the constitution, the first and foremost they have been formed committees in two groups. There were 22 committee, and in that 5 subcommittees were there. 22 committees in the sense that they given in charge for what all the problems have been faced by our India that to be set to 22 group, and on that basis it was being worked for constitution. Like the problems we have, food and shelter, unemployment, education, lacking of industries, so many problems it was being suffered in India, and that was being put up forward in form of rules and amendments, articles, schedules by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is being called the lawmaker or the father of constitution, and he has been titled as Chief Architect of Indian Constitution. Who's that? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He has been known as Chief Architect of Indian Constitution. And after learning even for them, for Ambedkar, they have been supportive members of eminent members from Karnataka and as well as to the Constituent Assembly. They have been main people to support for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is called Drafting Committee. Okay children, shall we move on forward? Next, framing of the constitution. What it framed here? How many months it took here to frame this constitution? It took 11 months and 18 days. And when it was been ready in the year 1950, but the first Constituent Assembly, it was been on 26th November. It has been celebrated as Constituent Assembly Day in the year 1946. Now, this framing of the constitution, where we have the Britishers were the people to rule our India, like 1909, 1935 Act, then 1919, these all policies were been going on in our India. But then to the setting of framing of the constitution was going on. When November was been fixed as in Constituent Assembly first, but January 26th, 1950, it was completed. That's been called the Constitution. Came into force on this 26th January 1950. What do we celebrate? A national festival. It's called Republic Day, and it has been declared our India is completely republic, democratic, secular, sovereign. Okay, that is on 1950 after independence. Okay. Next comes here preamble to the Constitution. What is this preamble of the Constitution? Preamble, it is heart of the Constitution. What it contains? It contains the structure, values, justice, goals and principles of the Constitution and ideologies of the people. It is for the people. Next, according to Jawaharlal Nehru, he put up this preamble a part of objective resolution on December 13th, 1946. You have to see that date here, 1946. It is before independence or after independence. Can you recognize? It is after or before? It is before. And after it was being titled in 1946 and next it has been approved by Constituent Assembly after 1 year on January 22nd, 1947. That means it is being completely resolution to be the part of Constitution, and it used to contain sovereign, democratic, republic, social, economic and political justice. Means these all it comes here to the declaration of Constitution. It used to consist here. That is, it has been said after approving these all to be held in here. On the basis of this only, it was been put up in articles, amendments, schedules and many more that we follow the rules and regulations of the Constitution. Here children, you have a picture in page number 49. Page number 49, it used to say, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic and to secure to all its citizens, and has been titled as justice. It used to consist of social, economic, political, liberty, equality, fraternity, and it's been mentioned according to 42nd Constituent Amendment in 1946. Okay children? Next continuation will be to the next class. Thank you.